Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be really exciting for me, and I hope it is for you as well. So if you're new to my channel, I'm in my bird room. I have many birds. If you want to see my bird room like a full tour, I'll put the link down below in the description. So today's video is going to be very exciting because, do you remember that budgie I found about a month ago? If you've been watching, you know that I found a budgie on the streets about a month ago. She is a green budgie and nobody has claimed her. So I thought I would give her a chance and try her in my bird room. Now the reason I was wary is because all my budgies are males. I have 9 of them. They're back here. They're all males. And I believe she's a female because her steer is light blue with white around it. It's actually turning a little bit more white. And that means a female, but you never know. Steers change color because I have no idea how old she is. I don't know. I can't tell how old she is. And one of my budgies that I have already named Sky, I thought Sky was a female for a long time, but Sky turned out to be a male. So you never know. If the budgie I found turns out to be male, I think it'll be great because I don't have to worry about them fighting over one female. If it doesn't work out, I'll be looking for a home for her because I really don't want them all to fight and cause ruckus and start, mating and breeding and everything like that. But we can see what happens because you never know. It may work. It may work out. If you are new to my channel and you haven't seen the video of how I caught her, I'll put the link down below in the description. And also, last year, I caught another budgie, and I still have him. His name is Captain Jack Sparrow, or Jack for short. Everybody loves Jack, and I love him too. He's a beautiful blue boy. You're going to see him. Anyways, you can go check out his video. That was a really exciting video, actually. I'll put the link down below in the description. I'll put all the links down below that are relevant to this kind of video, and you can go have a look. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe, especially if you love birds. I have a lot of birds. I have standard poodles. I have fish and rabbits and a hamster. Anyways, I have a lot of animals. So go check out all my other videos down below, and hopefully you enjoy and you subscribe to my channel. So I'm very excited. And also, I have a video on how to introduce a new bird to your current bird, because you can't just go get a bird and stick it in your current bird's cage. You can't do that. You have to think about quarantine and how to introduce them and everything. So I do a video on that. I'll put the link down below as well. So budgies are usually not a problem getting to know each other. They're a little bit easier than some other species of birds, but you can go watch the video how to do it. So far, I've had her in my bird room, in her cage. She hasn't come out yet for a day. So today is going to be the day that's exciting. I'm going to let her out, and I'm going to let her explore my bird room so you can see how she does in my bird room. And then I'm going to let my other budgies out. That's where it's going to get exciting. So I hope you can watch, and I hope you can see what happens with my budgies. And I don't know if I mentioned, did I mention? I did name her. I call her May because I found her in May. Now, if May turns out to be a male, should I keep her name May? I don't know. I can change it. She doesn't really know her name anyways. And she's not tame. She's really, really skittish. She doesn't come to my hand or anything. She just wants to be a budgie, like the rest of my budgies. Only 2 of my budgies kind of step up, and that's about it. So anyways, stay tuned because I'm going to let her out. All right, so there's May right there. Her cage is right beside my other budgies, and they're singing up a storm. So she keeps clinging to that side because she really wants to get in the cage with the budgies. What are you doing? You upside down? So now I'm going to open up her door, and hopefully she'll come out. Now, it might take a while. Sometimes they don't come out for a long time. Hey, May. You want to come out, May? Oh, it's a big door. Oh, maybe she will. Come on, May. It's been about 20 minutes and she just keeps going back and forth on the side. Oh, look, she's getting closer. Oh. Come on. Well, there we go. You can fly right out, girl. It's been half an hour now and she still has not come out of the cage. She's out. There she is. See, I went to the other side of the room because I think I was too close to her standing behind the camera. But look at her. She just wants the other budgies. Don't you want to go explore first? Oh, look, she's talking to Sky. Oh, Sky. You got first dibs on her, huh? Oh. Is it biting her? I'm hoping she'll go explore. She's going up, so that's good. Go on up, go on up. She wants to get in the cage. Oh, don't bite her feet. No. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Well, they'll sort it out. There she goes. She's just looking around. Okay, she really wants to get in with the budgies, so I think I'm just gonna let my budgies out. So they're gonna chase her. They're gonna chase her around, but they gotta sort it out, right? All right, are you ready to see what happens? There we go. All right, see, that's Sky. I knew it. Where's Jack? I'm surprised he's not coming out. So you can see May's on top there, right in the middle. And that's Sky getting closer. Oh, that's Sky's favorite toy. He has fun with it. Oh, there they go. Oh, there's Jack. All right, so Jack is the blue budgie. He's the one I found last year. Right in the same neighborhood. Imagine if they knew each other. They came from the same place or same house. Wouldn't that be weird? Oh, Jack, you like her? Well, that's Jack Sparrow. All right, so May went back down on top of her cage. There goes Jack. Oh, here comes Splash. I think Splash will like her too. Splash is the yellow budgie right there trying to come out. He's thinking, oh, here he comes. I knew he was gonna go say hello. No? Where's May? Oh, what are you doing by yourself, May? Are they discussing plans over there? Look at that. You got 3 boyfriends. See? Jack is talking, saying, that's my girl, don't go near her. What do you think, Splash? So they're not really doing anything yet, anyways. Oops. There's May. There's Sky. Oh, getting closer. So May's just sitting there along with Jack and Splash up there singing away. They don't seem to be even bothering her. But anything can happen, right? In the next day or two or a couple weeks, you never know. But it seems like she's always been here, no problem. This is Treasure. Let's see if he will go near her. Oh, he might go back in. That's Treasure and Splash. And May came down. I think she's going to go in the cage. She'll go visit the other budgies that don't even know she's here. They don't seem to care. Let's see if she goes in. Sterling is the gray Spangled Budgie on the left. He's a young one too. Let's see if he will interact with her. But they're all on this side and May's on the other side by herself. Oh, there's Sterling. Sterling, who's that? You got a new friend. Yeah. Oh, she's going in the cage. I wonder what the other budgies will do. She's inside. Oh, she came back out. She's talking to Benny. Sometimes when they're out, they don't, they won't fight. But if they're in a cage, like I shut the door and they're confined, they could possibly fight. So that's why it's always best to let your birds meet each other out of the cage, not in the cage. One bird can be territorial of the cage and a fight will break loose. She came back out. Right, so it's been about 3 days and everything's been going great. All my birds are out right now, as you can see. There's been no fighting, nothing. It's like May's been here forever. And the only thing is, May doesn't go in the cage at night. She won't go in. I'm not going to chase her and scare her yet. She sleeps up on the perch, up on top of by the ceiling there. But other than that, there's been no fighting, no nothing. So I think maybe May can stay here. But it's only been 3 days, right? So we'll take one day at a time and see how it goes with May, if she can stay and fit into my flock without a problem. Are you biting my thumb? So make sure you go check out all those links down below in the description of my bird room and how I caught Jack and how I caught May and any other videos that are relevant to this video. You can go see all my videos if you like. And look at all the birds on my head. Who do we have here? Oh boy. We have Raspberry, Sprinkles. I think that was Monty. Who's this? Willow. Hello, Willow. Willow, say hello. Here's Willow. Willow. And there's Willow. There goes Willow. I don't know if anybody else will come here. But sometimes I have like 10 birds on me all at one time. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like watching May. Join my flock. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss any future videos of seeing May and Jack and all my birds and all my pets. Then I want to thank you so much for watching. And who's that? Oh, no. I don't know where Jingles is. Jingles, where are you? Hello. Oh, Jingles is behind me. Here, you go up there. Jingles, no, he won't come. I don't know where he went. He's up there. Anyways. Oh, he came back and Sprinkles, good boy. All right. Oh, hey, it's time for a second board. Which one are you? I think you're Ruffles. All the pink birds almost look the same. Bye. Bye. Okay, I can talk here forever. So anyways, we will see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.